does complain. His faithful horse he reins, with his hat and boots of leather. He's the Lone Ranger, he's the cowboy man, so brave and bold. His heart of gold, he'll never fold. He roams the wild with a six-shooter by his side, the cowboy man who never hides. With his lasso he'll round 'em up, no town and G can't disrupt. From sunrise until the moon's high, he'll keep on riding, never asking why. He's the cowboy man who never hides. With his lasso he'll round 'em up, no town and G can't disrupt. From sunrise until the moon's high. In the heat of the sun or the cold of the night, he'll keep on going, never losing sight. His duty to protect and serve the cowboy man. He's got the nerve, he's the cowboy man, so brave and bold. His heart of gold, he'll never fold. He roams the wild with a six-shooter by his side, the cowboy man who'll never hide. With his lasso he'll round 'em up, no town and G can disrupt. From sunrise until the moon's high.